If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. In this video, we'll see how to enable funny face on WhatsApp video. So you're on a video call like this. So you just tap on the video that you're watching and there's this small magic wand, right? So just press on that and you will get various options like effects, filters and background. So if you want to change background, you can also change background, but right now I'm interested in effects, right? Tap on effects and you have this effects, right? I have a football hat, I have a football sticker, but the most interesting ones to entertain kids are these faces. Yeah. And then this face. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. And then you have other effects like this. And then you have spectacle. Wow. If you're happy, then you have snowflakes and all that, and then you can also change some filters like this. Okay, for example, I this funny face, and then let's say for example I want to change the background to seashore, right? So I'm in the football court, let's say I'm at the beach somewhere. Okay, so you cannot do two things at a time. That means either you change the background or you change your so that's it. And if you want to switch off the filters, just tap on your video and then go back to none. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.